NVIDIA is pleased to announce the production release of JetPack 6.2.2. JetPack 6.2.2 packages Jetson Linux 36.5 with Linux kernel 5.15 and Ubuntu 22.04 based root file system.
Wait a minute, I just fell for this trick.
This addresses issue 5602402. After upgrading from JetPack 36.4.4 to 36.4.7, users encountered CUDA memory allocation failures. Upgrade now.
Well, if you put it that way. In this video, we'll cover upgrading a Jetson Orin running JetPack 6.2.1 to JetPack 6.2.2. There are other methods if you want to start from scratch, including flashing a new SD card or using the NVIDIA SDK Manager. However, if you already have a running system, you should be able to upgrade directly on the Jetson Orin itself. Make a backup before starting. You've been warned. Let's take a look at which version of Jetson Linux we are running. It is a version 36.4.4. Let's take a look at the core packages. They match? That's a good sign. Now we'll check the version of JetPack. It's version 6.2.1. In an earlier video, we held packages so the system would not update. Let's take a look at those. Let's unhold the packages so everything gets updated correctly. Let's see if I have the hold command in the history. There it is. I just need to change from hold to unhold. I'll leave this nasty looking command in the description below. Looks like it took. Let's check it. Looking good. Now we're ready to update. First, we need to update the repository location. The file is protected, so we need to use sudo. Also, there's a typo in these instructions. We need a preceding slash. Change all occurrences of 36.4 to 36.5. Make sure to save the file. We update the repository list so that it knows we are serious. Then we do a distribution upgrade. This entire update process takes about half an hour or so, depending on your download speeds. About 20 minutes in, it will ask some questions to confuse you. I just type Y to confuse it right back. It looks like we need to reboot to finish the upgrade. I'll power down the machine and then restart it. When you get to the NVIDIA splash screen, the QSpy firmware will update. Then the machine will reboot. Let's check to make sure everything took. We're running L4T 36.5.0. Just like we should. Now let's check the JetPack version. 6.2.2. I love it when a plan comes together. Thanks for watching.